Hey everyone, I'm Ben, your official guide to surviving and thriving in the Chinese-speaking world.
I'm Bao, your local Chinese friend, cultural insider, and the guy who keeps Ben from making a total fool of himself.
Let's be honest, learning Chinese usually feels like a nightmare. The characters look like art, the four tones sound like a singing competition, and conventional textbooks make you feel like you're studying for a rocket science degree.
But guess what? It doesn't have to be a painful torture. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning Mandarin fun, visual, and unexpectedly simple.
We've combined the strict structural power of the HSK framework with the real-world scenarios you actually need. No outdated phrases, limited boring grammar drills.
Exactly! We are going to teach you how to smartly navigate the system. We'll show you the exact shortcuts, pronunciation hacks, and slang that native speakers actually use every day.
Our goal is to give you total battlefield readiness, whether you want to talk business with Chinese partners and close those deals, travel, study, or work in China without getting lost at the airport, impress your Chinese friends at dinner, or just order dim sum like an absolute boss.
We've got you covered. You'll learn how to naturally blend it in with local crowds with minimum stress and maximum confidence.
So hit that subscribe button, grab your favorite snack, and let's learn Chinese the fun way. Welcome to the family.
Hey Ben, hey Ben. Hello.
你好.
Finally, good to see you in person.
Welcome.
欢迎.
Ready to learn some Chinese?
Absolutely.
Oh, what did I do? My sign. Sorry, Ben. I am too excited. Oh no! I've knocked over so much luggage. Luggage.
行李.
Okay, I got my Xingli, but where the sign is. Bao, I really need to go to the restroom.
请问洗手间?
Ben, I just asked her where the restroom was. You don't need to say the whole sentence. Just knowing
请问
and
洗手间?
is enough for everyone to get it. Let's use some smart hacks and get the job done. One more thing. In China,
厕所
means toilet and
洗手间
restroom. Either one is fine.
Thank you, Bao.
谢谢.
All right, these are the ultimate survival phrases you'll need to navigate China like a pro on your very first day. Let's get these locked in.
Welcome to China. Ben, in Chinese?
欢迎.
欢迎 sounds like a fancy way to say hello.
Not exactly. It's used to make guests feel at home. Imagine you're at a grand gate and it's opening just for you. That is
欢迎.
Got it. So, 欢迎to my brain, Chinese language?
the most important one.
你好, 你好.
Easy. Ni hao. Like, how's your knee doing today?
Close-in sound, but
你
means you and
好.
means good. So you are literally saying you good.
That's such a positive way to greet someone. You good? I love it.
After a long flight, what's the first thing you look for?
My heavy bags.
Exactly.
行李 行
Means travel.
李
Is a very popular last name in China, but here, it doesn't have any special meaning. It's just an accepted way of saying it. Putting it together with
行
gives you the word for luggage. It's all the stuff you take on a journey.
行李
Well, my 行李. Luggage. I got it.
When someone helps you with those heavy bags, you say,
谢谢
Shay shay. It sounds like a secret code.
it's a very polite code. In Chinese culture, being humble is key. Saying
谢谢
a soft, gentle way to show you appreciate someone's time or effort.
谢谢, Bao, for not laughing at my pronunciation.
If you're lost, start your question with
请问
Kingwen? Is that like excuse me?
yes
请
means please,
问
means to ask. You are literally saying please ask. It's the magic key to get anyone's attention politely.
Magic key. Kingwen? Where's the best pizza in town?
And finally, for your own sake,
洗手间
Shishoujian? That's a mouthful.
洗手间
It's very logical though.
洗
Means wash,
手
means hand,
间
is room. It is a hand washing room.
So if I just keep saying hand washing room, people will know I really need to find the restroom.
That's smart, Ben. At a hand washing gesture, you'll make your point perfectly clear to everyone. Great work! Now, are you ready for some fun time? Let's get to our mini quiz.
行李谢谢请问
Welcome to my home. It's
欢迎
You need to use the restroom and you ask,
谢谢请问
you meet a new friend. You say,
你好
please repeat after me.
欢迎欢迎你好你好谢谢谢谢行李行李请问请问洗手间洗手间
Bonus time, where we uncover some fun and quirky cultural facts.
Oh, hi, Bao. Ni hao.
Ben,
吃了吗
No, not yet. I have a sandwich back at my hotel. Are you offering to take me out for noodles? I'd be honored.
oh, sorry, Ben. It's just a common greeting in China, especially among seniors when we ask,
吃了吗
have you eaten? We usually just mean, how are you? Or are you good? We are not usually inviting you for a meal.
Oh, so saying no just makes you think I'm hungry, not that I accept your non-existent dinner offer.
Exactly. Next time, just say,
吃了
I have eaten. If you're good, it's been a friendly greeting since ancient times, when food was scarce.
Got it. So, have you eaten? Is the Chinese what's up?
That's a great way to remember it.
That's all for today's lesson. You've done an amazing job keeping up with Ben and Bao. If you have any questions about today's words, or if you have any fun ideas or feedback you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And make sure to stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll be taking our new skills to a restaurant to learn how to order food and dine out like a local. See you next class.